Life is divided into two parts, logic and magic. Okay? Let us say logic tells me I want to be successful. But look at the face. I want to be successful. Can you ever be successful? Now add magic. I want to be successful. So when emotions are poured into your logic, there is a wonderful vibrational energy which is produced. What you say is not important. How you say is important because it produces energy. What was spellbound? How did that word spell come? When you go to school, they teach you spelling. My actions and my words create a spellbound effect because I'm matching the logic with the magic. I want to be successful. I have a dream. I want to see it come true. Okay? I have a dream. I want to see it come true. Now both I'll match. And matching is a glue called music. I have a dream I want to see come true. I won't give up no matter what I do. Not what you speak, how you speak. Spelling has every word which is geometrically arranged. And there are people who curse. When I curse you, that vibration is gnawing into me. It's like acid. That energy has started gnawing into them. That's why we are finding frustrations increasing. I don't want a pebble in my shoe, but there are many pebbles in my mental shoe.
Sometimes it's difficult to believe what you're saying.
Okay.
When you're in such a
Yeah.
place.
Sometimes it's difficult to believe because there is already a belief, and till I remove that belief, like the old cassette recorders,
Yeah.
unless you remove the old song, you cannot record the new song. So you have a particular belief and you're listening to talk through those beliefs. If I just say murder, it will create a negative sensation in you. But if I say the military killed that enemy, I'm talking about the same. There is a difference in the vibration. There are two powers, energies, aerodynamic, my voice is being thrown out, and acoustics energy. So both these energy, how they go and hit you, will create a feeling and a meaning in you. It resonates means there is slowly harmony and symphony taking place.
Yeah.
Harmony and symphony takes place when your Shruti and my Shruti are meeting, then there is music.
Yeah.
That's why music binds. Thoughts could bend each other. We don't blend with each other. Today there is frustration because what my heart says is not blending with what my mind thinks. Every word there is a vibration. Take the word personality. Sona means sound. Why is it that some people produce an impact, positive impact? The way they talk, the way they walk, they are producing a sound. The way you move, you are pushing, and creating vibrations. There is a vibration emanating out of you, depending on your thoughts and thinking, and there is a vibration you create as you move. If you are sluggish, the impact is going to be sluggish. You are an artist, so the way you enter the stage, and the way you have entered the stage before and created a positive impact on the people's mind, people feel like clapping for you.
Yeah.
Okay? So all this is nothing but the personality. What is the vibration your presence creates? Like the presence of the sun creates a vibration for the flower to open. Who tells the flower to open? The birds feel like singing. Who tells the birds to sing? Just the presence of the sunlight. So am I like the sun, emanating those vibrations which create positivity around me? That's it.